Presenting the Samsung Galaxy M21. It comes in black, blue and iceberg blue colors. It comes in two variants, 4GB RAM plus 64GB memory and 6GB RAM plus 128GB memory. The internal memory is expandable up to 512GB. This is dual SIM phone. It is 6.4-inch Super AMOLED Infinity U-Cut display, Full HD Plus resolution 2340 by 1080, 404 ppi pixel density and 16 million color support. Secure your phone instantly with fast face unlock and fingerprint scanner. It has triple camera setup at rear, 48 megapixel f1.8 main camera, plus 8 megapixel f2.2 ultra wide camera, plus 5 megapixel f2.2 depth camera, and 20 megapixel f2.2 front-facing punch-hole camera. It is powered by Android 10.0 operating system with Exynos 9611 2.3 GHz 1.7 GHz octa-core processor. It is equipped with 6000 mAh battery. The box includes handset, non-removable battery included, travel adapter, USB cable, ejection pin, user manual. The product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 7-day return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.
As you can see that this is a very basic box with not much information on the surface, so we will not waste any more time and open this up. The first thing you will see once you open the box is the smartphone itself. This is the blue variant. There is also one that's available in black. There is a protective plastic cover on the top. Let's get rid of that. Now you can see what the Galaxy M21 actually looks like. You will notice the triple camera setup at the back. We're going to turn this one on and put it on one side. Going back to the box, we have a white Samsung travel adapter and we also have a white USB-C type charging cable. We have another smaller box that seems to contain some literature and an ejection pin on one side. This is a very handy tool for when you have to insert or remove SIM cards. Inside we have three pieces of literature, namely the warranty card, the regional lock guide and a quick start guide. And that's all you will find inside the Samsung Galaxy M21 box.